Okay, so hello everyone. Am I audible to you all? Hello.
Yes, you are audible.
Okay. So I welcome you all in today's webinar, and this is our first webinar, and we are basically here to share the knowledge and to save our environment with some very innovative and simple activities which we are going to learn from this particular session today. And basically I am Poonam from team Nature Bodies and from Cool Calculator also. We are the organizer, and we are organizing this webinar to make the school students specially active to be the change in the field of climate change and climate literacy. We want to make you all a climate champion by sharing small tips of climate literacy, and it is related to the uh, climate knowledge as well. So here we have today Uttam sir, who will tell you a lot description version of this webinar session, and also about the particular app which we have designed to make you people aware and easily to calculate the carbon emission that we um, basically emit due to our daily life activities that we do. It may be using the laptop, or maybe watching television, or any activities which are related to electrical appliances and all. So with this app which we have designed, you will be able to calculate the amount of carbon emission that you are emitting in the atmosphere, and also you will be able to learn the tips by which you can simply reduce those carbon emission into the atmosphere. So before going forward, I want everyone to give their introduction so that we all become familiar and know each other well. So I would request to all the participants to give their introductions one by one so that we can know each other in a good way. Neha ma'am is here. Ma'am, you can also coordinate students so that they can give their introduction.
Hello, am I
Yes,
audible, ma'am?
yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay. One by one, we are going to give our introduction. I would like to request the students of our school to give their introduction. We need Annavi, Annavi Yadav. Annavi, give. Start. With Annavi, louder.
My name is Annavi. Ma'am, audible?
Yes, beta, you are audible. Continue.
I am Annavi Vada from class 7 in Tejas Simra.
Okay, very good, Annavi. Next, who is going to introduce?
My name is Sutikshan Prasad Vasudev. I'm studied in class 11. I can take a subject of math, and I'm studied in school Sages Simra.
Okay. Vineet, Vineet Dubey.
Students, be quick in giving the introduction so that we can proceed. There are still more participants. I can see. Do start giving your
Yes.
introductions.
Vineet, are you there? Vineet Dubey, are you there? I think there will be some network issue. That's why he's not responding.
Yes, ma'am. I can understand today weather is also not supporting us.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Lucky sir is also with us. Lucky sir is also with us now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll wait for 2 minutes. Then we'll start. Okay, so I think now no one is going to introduce, and we are running short of time, so we will proceed. So, first of all, I want to ask the kids who have joined today, what do you mean by climate literacy? Annavi, Vineet,
Yes, ma'am.
uh, what do you mean by climate literacy? You know what is literacy now, right? Literacy means education, how much you are educated, how much you are literate. Okay, so when I am saying climate literacy, so what is the meaning of this term climate literacy? What you know, just tell me. No need of giving the perfect answer.
मैम मौसम के बारे में एजुकेशन.
Okay. Vineet. Okay. So no issue. Climate literacy means literacy related to the climate. You know the climate change is taking frequently, and we are seeing its adverse impact on different sort of uh, things. Like in our daily life, we can see the change. Like here the weather is changing, and this is the season of monsoon now, but still there is a monsoon break, and monsoon rain is not falling, but in place of it the climate and the weather is becoming hot. Okay, so this is climate change. Means in the season of rain we are feeling the feeling of summer, right? So this is climate change. So what we have to do is, this is all due to the human activities, because we all are related to this directly or indirectly. We do different sort of activities in our daily life, due to which a lot of amount of carbon is emitted into the atmosphere, and this excess carbon emission due to our daily activities causes our environment to heat up. Okay, you all know about the greenhouse gases, and carbon is among them. So the carbon emission which is taking place due to our different sort of activities is causing the climate to change. Okay, so we'll learn about this only, and we'll through all these sessions we will explore it in great details. So I would like to invite Uttam sir to give you a brief detail about the app which we have prepared to make you people climate literate and climate champion. So Uttam, please proceed.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hello everybody. I am Uttam Kumar Tamboli, and I'm also from Team Nature Body and a trainer of yours for the Captain Cool project. So under this project, our team has developed a Captain Cool app, which is an app which will help you to literate yourself in terms of climate literacy and to develop low carbon lifestyle. So now, what I mean by low carbon lifestyle, like today we are living in the internet of in the era of internet, and we are using all the electrical appliances in our homes. But very few of us know that how much emission an appliance do in a daily lifestyle. And we use it recklessly, we use it for our home purpose and for our leisure lifestyle. As students, it should be our responsibility to have an account of the carbon emission that we do on a daily basis. And for that, there hasn't been significant or an easy way which is user friendly for everybody. All the data of all the conversions with which you from which you can calculate the carbon emission are in books with the help of formulas. But there is no easy way. So our team has developed a Captain Cool app in which you have to fill certain data like the power rating of appliances. You are all in school, and I think in 8th and standard you might have studied about a power rating, like a watt capacity of a device, like how much watt of a devices are used in our homes. So in our calculators, we have used three data. First, the power ratings of the devices. Second, the number of hours it is used on a daily basis. Third, number of devices at home. So when any user will give this much information, then our calculator will calculate and tell you that how much amount of electricity you consume on an annual basis and how much amount of carbon emission take place. Like now, if you might be thinking that if we are consuming electricity, then how carbon emission is taking place? Because we today also we generate electricity from fossil fuels, and it is a non-renewable source of energy. And for generating 1 unit of electricity, coal is burnt, and from that carbon emission takes place. And there are many greenhouse gases which are responsible for the global warming or the calamities which we are facing today. But carbon dioxide has one of the major impacts in it because it has the highest warming effect, and because of which it causes the rising temperature to a much significant degree than the rest of the gases. So that's why we have kept CO2 in our mind while developing this app. Now, this is the first segment of our app. Like at first, you will be able to calculate like how much energy one person in their home consumes. But it is not viable or it is not practical to cut off all the electricity because we are using it for our purpose to live peacefully. So there is a possibility of reducing the amount of electricity consumption. So for that, our calculator also tells like how much electricity you can reduce on a daily basis if you adopt certain habits on in your daily life. And we also have a calculator which will help you to calculate the amount of carbon emission you can protect from going to the environment by planting trees. So these are the set of practices that you will be doing in the coming sessions in our app. And with this app, we want that you as students should know that how what all your activities harm environment in what all ways. So that's how the objective of this campaign is, and we want every one of you to have that literacy in yourself and be climate champions. So thank you very much, and I hope that all of you are motivated to join this campaign, and you will have a great time in being the part of Captain Cool project. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Uttam. Anyone having any doubt can ask to Uttam sir. He will answer. What he said became clear to you all now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay, you
ma'am.
understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, any questions?
And Naveen,
So,
you are having any questions?
Any question, because you people have to do a task from now, okay? So you have to be clear about this. So do ask questions if you all have.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Ma'am,
What you are saying?
like we can reduce carbon dioxide by planting trees. It is the only method that we can reduce carbon emission uh, by using law of electricity.
Uh, okay. एक second. Wait. Uttam.
ma'am,
Wait.
Yes,
One by one.
Pallavi,
One by one.
one by one. No, wait.
See, there is many ways to reduce carbon dioxide. Like we all know that plants take carbon dioxide and give oxygen. So that's one way of doing it. From our app and from this initiative, we want to reduce the amount of carbon emission that you are doing in your home. So there are many ways with which you can reduce the amount of carbon that you are emitting in the environment, and that's what you are going to learn in this campaign and in this project. Understood? Got clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Navi, go ahead now.
ho- how carbon affects climate change?
How carbon relates to climate change?
There is a direct relation, Anvi. Like you might have also felt this when you go on a public place or anywhere, and when lot of people gather in one place, then you suddenly start feeling hot or warm. That's the reason for that is because everyone is releasing a significant amount of carbon dioxide from their body, and that carbon dioxide has a warming effect, and which as a result increases the temperature of the surrounding. So if the temperature is increased, then the plants or the trees that are absorbing the CO2 are having a hard time, because in present time we are cutting down trees in a higher rate in comparison to planting more. So there is an imbalance which is taking place, and because of which the amount of carbon dioxide that should be in equal to the oxygen is not in balance, and because of which the habitat or the climate is changing very rapidly. Like if you see, climate change is a natural process which used to be natural process, but in present it is accelerated, which is not in natural state. That's why we are saying that climate change is real, and it is changing in a much faster pace which is beyond our comprehension and beyond the point to which animals can relate to. Like if you ask your grandparents, they'll tell that when they were small, they used to see many animals or many birds in their house. But now they are not visible because they are going extinct, and either they are extinct or they are endangered, because they are not able to adapt to the rate at which the climate is changing. So that is why you can say that there is a direct relationship between carbon emission and climate change.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
so any more questions?
Sir, in atmosphere also present many type of gas. This does not affect.
They also affect. Very good question. If you are school student, maybe you have studied about the greenhouse effect, or maybe you study that in higher classes. So greenhouse effect is basically a trapping of heat by greenhouse gases. So there are many gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, methane, sulfur dioxide. So there are many gases which affect, or we can say, which harms the environment by increasing the temperature. But out of them, the most significant one is carbon dioxide, because it is in the environment for more than 1,000 years, and it has a long lasting warming effect. So other gases also have an impact, but either they are in very small quantities, so they don't have a significant impact, or they don't harm much. So in this sense, CO2 is only the primary, what we can say, contributor in increasing the temperature. So that's why we have kept it as a main element, or the main component for climate change. Okay.
Sir, on increasing carbon, it reacts with oxygen, so that's why carbon dioxide is more, or any other way.
You can say that, like, there are many ways of carbon emission. Like when we use vehicles, then we burn petroleum, right? So then when we use petrol, it also burns inside the engine, and then some amount of gases are produced. So that petroleum turns into gas, and then it emits into the environment. So that is the one way. The another way is electricity generation. Like you might have heard about the NTPC, from where electricity is generated in Chhattisgarh.
Yes,
So
sir.
they
National Thermal Power Corp.
Yeah, exactly. So in that, coal is burnt, and from that boilers are heated, and from that steam is generated, which is used to produce electricity. So there we are burning coal, and from that gases are released into the environment. Other than this, there are many non-conventional ways. Like you might have seen people using CGDs in their home to cook food. So because of that, they burn coal, and directly the carbon is emitted into the environment. So like this, there are many ways from which carbon gets into the atmosphere, and when it is not able to turn back into oxygen by trees, then it stays in the environment, and when it stays in the environment, it accelerates the impact of the greenhouse effect, and thereby global warming and climate change.
Yes, sir. Or sir, biogas can also help in our daily life if we use biogas more. Then it affects reduce to carbon, I think.
You can use that as well. There are many places in which LPG connections are not provided, so they use biogas plants for using their household activity. But the thing is, if it is used, then there should be proper care taken, because if we are dealing with a gas, so there should be proper measures taken to it. Like there shouldn't be any leakage. The machine should run properly. So in that case, it can be useful, because it is methane, and it is coming from what we can say agricultural waste. So if you are able to use that energy, or use that waste to convert energy and use it for household purpose, then you will be able to divert waste to a resource. So in that way, it will be helpful in fighting climate change.
Yes, sir.
All clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so no more questions now. So section, all done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So see, many new things you got to know now, right? Today.
Yes, ma'am.
So basically, yes. So climate change is real. We all feel its impact, right? Not only we. Every living organism who is living or sharing this world with us. Okay. So we all have to take action against it. Okay. Action is mandatory to be taken at all levels. So we are at school level, right? Small kids. So we also have to take certain actions to reduce its impact. Okay. We can't do it at once, but the small changes in our behavior can help us in reducing the impact of carbon emission into the atmosphere. Okay, so we'll talk it in a little more elaborated way. So there are a lot of things due to which carbon emission takes place. Okay, so basically the field of electricity also a lot of carbon emission takes place. Like uh, sometimes what happens is we put on the light but we forget to put it off. Okay, and by that also a lot of carbon emission takes place. So what we have to do, we should develop a habit to switch off the light or fan whenever we are leaving the room. Okay, and apart from electricity, transportation also causes lot of carbon emission. So what we can do, we should adopt cycling or we should go by foot for short distances. Okay, like this. And also by saving carbon from emitting into the atmosphere.
Ma'am,
So there
your
are
voice is
so
breaking.
many ways. uh, I don't know, maybe some network issue is there. Now it's clear.
Yes.
Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so there are lot of ways by which we emit carbon into the atmosphere, and like that only there are lot of ways by which we can stop it. Okay, so all these things we have to learn in this coming sessions also, and you'll get to know much more things about it. So I would like to ask one more question to you all. Like, you all in your homes, you all have electricity connections, right? So what all electrical appliances do you all use in your houses? Can you tell the names? I'm
Ma'am,
asking about
bulb,
the
tube light,
electrical appliances.
and
Yes,
other
very good. Yes, bulb, tube light, fan.
electrical appliances and in used in kitchen, stoves, like.
Yes, geysers, chimneys. There are a lot of
Yes, ma'am.
appliances we use, right? So, do we know the power ratings of all the appliances?
No, ma'am. Light and bulb, how much watt that we know.
Okay, so this is the point. Okay, I'm speaking about it because now we are going to give you a task. Okay, and in that, what you all have to do is you all have to identify the electrical appliances that you people are using at your homes, and you have to find out its power rating as well. Okay, so what electrical appliances means: bulb you are using, so it is of how much watt. Okay, fan you are using, so it is of how much watt. So you have to identify the appliances, okay, the power rating, and the duration of its use. Means you are using the fan for 4 hours in a day, for 6 hours in a day, right? So you students have to make a list. The format of the list will be shared to you all in WhatsApp group. We'll drop it there, and you will see the format, and you have to make the same list. What you have to do is you have to maintain a notebook. Okay, a notebook, you can name it Captain Cool, because as soon as you do all these tasks you are going to become Captain Cool. Okay, because you are giving your contribution in reducing the carbon emission and in making your environment cooler. Okay, so you all have to maintain a notebook, and in that you have to list what all tasks which is shared to you all in a group. So three things I told you today. You have to identify the appliances that are used in your homes, the power ratings of the appliances, and duration of its uses. Okay, so these things you will be making, and will be the task one for you all. So the next meeting will be on not
Ma'am,
tomorrow,
my one
day after
question is
tomorrow.
there.
Okay.
Ma'am, is carbon affect in our body, or if
Women were
they,
not
then in
audible.
which part it will affect?
What can you please ask again? It is not clear to me.
Ma'am, is carbon can affect in our body, or if they, then in which part it will affect?
Actually, see, we are not particularly talking about our body, okay? But see, the in means you know that carbon is a gas which can CO2 is a gas which can trap the heat. Okay, it traps the heat and it makes the earth more warmer. Okay, and whenever the atmosphere is warm, what do we feel like? What do you feel like? Tell me first. Hmm?
Ma'am, I can't understand what you tell.
I am saying that you know CO2 emission takes place, and CO2 is a gas which traps heat. Okay, and it traps heat, then it makes our surrounding warmer. Okay, right? Warmer. So
Yes, ma'am.
whenever it is warm outside, how do you feel?
Ma'am, all said there will be gases and we not take
Do you
oxygen.
feel comfortable in that condition?
No, ma'am.
No, you will not. So directly or indirectly, it is laying an adverse impact on you. You will start feeling uncomfortable, uneasy. Your health can get affected. So in this way, it can relate to your health. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in this way it is related, and carbon emission can impact us in different ways, right? It can lead to desertification, excess carbon emission, climate change, the balance of nature will get disturbed, and suppose no rain is falling. What it leads to? It will lead to desertification. Desertification means
Ma'am, can't hear.
Destruction of the land. Destruction of the land. Okay. So once the land is getting destructed, we can't grow anything. Once we can't grow anything in that particular land, what can we eat? Nothing. Okay. So it all are interrelated. Okay. So this way it can impact us, not directly every time, but indirectly also, right? So in this way it can impact you all. So not only us, to the all living creatures. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So any doubt about the task?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So you understood now what you have to do in the task?
Yes, ma'am. How can we reduce, or how much electricity we can produce, that we calculate?
No, but now you have to, matlab you don't have to calculate, right? Now you have to do what is, you have to find out the appliances in your home, their power rating and duration of their use. These three things you have to enlist into your notebook. Okay. And I want to know from Neha ma'am and Lucky sir also, that we are having a session today. Next session, according to the comfortability of everyone, at when we can keep. Neha ma'am.
Ma'am, that we will tell you soon. We will discuss
Yes,
with each
ma'am.
other,
That I
then we will
want to
tell
know
you.
because we have to consider everyone, na, their conveniency and all.
Ma'am, within 2 days, I will inform you. Don't worry for that.
Yes,
I will
ma'am. So that
inform you soon.
what we what we are planning is to keep 3 sessions in a week.
Okay, in a
Okay,
week.
ma'am. Alternatively, so 3 sessions in a week is sufficient, we think, and but we are not able to decide when. So, ma'am, can you please coordinate with the
Yes.
students and tell me?
Okay, ma'am. I will talk to my students. Then I'll inform you.
Okay, so okay, in 2 days, do let me know about it so that we can
Okay,
proceed
sure.
the next meetings and all.
Sure.
Uh,
In next
so
meeting, we have to maintain a notebook now. My students have to maintain a notebook and identify the
yes, ma'am.
appliances which are using
Yes, ma'am.
power
The format will
consumption,
be
rating,
shared to.
and
Yes, ma'am.
duration now only.
Ma'am, can you
Okay.
Yes,
please
ma'am.
give me the format in the group?
Yes,
How
beta.
Yes,
can
we
we?
will
We
share.
will
We will
get the
share. We will
format in the
share
group. Ask
after this
questions, we will
meeting.
get.
After this
Yes,
meeting,
ma'am.
we will share the format, right?
Yes,
There you
ma'am.
will get, and on this format only you have to prepare. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now anyone having any doubt, then please ask. Otherwise, we are done with the meeting.
I think no one is having doubts now.
Okay, so
Kritik,
it was
you are clear
basically an
now?
introduction
Yes,
session.
ma'am.
Still,
Oh,
it was basically an introduction session, but still there are some more students uh, who want to introduce, can introduce, because some students joined little later. See, introduction is must because it makes us familiar, right? So that we can understand who is here, who is interested, and all.
who is this CK type? What's your name? CK type. He's only you, ma'am. No one else.
Okay, ma'am. So it is a basically a very simple session, ma'am, and like that only the coming sessions will be. But we'll discuss in little detail about the points today what we shared, and make the students aware about them, and also we'll share the PPTs to make the students understand the concept better. And for today, I think it is sufficient, and after you tell me the next date, then we'll proceed for the next meeting, and the link will be same for every meeting. Okay, so there will be the same link for the every meeting, so no confusion should be there, right?
Okay.
So ma'am, I think no one is having any doubt and we all are clear. So thank you very much for joining us today, and I would like to thank Neha ma'am. Lucky sir, Naren Tiwari sir, and all the kids who joined us today. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.